Hello! In this video, we'll see how to access the web server and explore the different configuration options available in the DUOX PLUS Video Guide unit. To begin, select the following menu within Parameters. From there, we can access the web server in two ways, manually or by scanning the QR code. If choosing manual access, first connect to the indicated network and enter the password. Once connected, open your browser and go to fermaxgot.com. On the login screen, enter the username admin and the default password 4444. Remember to change the password to ensure your installation is secure. By clicking on Homes, we can view, delete, or add new users. To add a new user, click on New Dwelling and fill in the required fields. On the GOTS unit screen, we can add a new unit by selecting its type. Once added, the unit can be edited or deleted. In the Panels menu, we'll find the same buttons and functions as in the previous menus, but we must select the panel type when adding one. By clicking on Relays, we can add, edit, or delete relays. We can also select the interface language or upload a custom language file by selecting the Custom option. Finally, for any of the menus, we can export them to a CSV file and also import the file following the correct structure. If there is any error, a message will be shown in red. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time!